All right, so let's start with the big story that we are tracking on WION at this hour. Even as the United Kingdom continues to report nearly about 200,000 cases of infections per day, the British Prime Minister is resisting imposing some stringent lockdown measures. In the latest, the United Kingdom actually has eased travel rules for anyone who wants to get into England after pressure from the travel industry. The Prime Minister on Wednesday told the Parliament that cases were increasing at the fastest rate ever, with 1 in 15 people in England having tested positive. Johnson also said that hospitalisation was increasing, especially amongst the older age groups. But the Prime Minister was pretty confident that the country could get by with the current levels of restrictions. Listen to what Boris Johnson had to say.
I'm confident that we can get through this wave of Omicron with the measures, with the balanced and proportionate approach that we are taking. And I'm glad to have her support, Mr. Speaker. And for the future, what we need is the multivalent, the polyvalent vaccines that can deal with any type of COVID mutation, any type of variant, as well as the therapeutics, Mr. Speaker. And that is what we're investing in.
Now, the United Kingdom has also eased testing rules for people travelling to England. From Friday onwards, fully vaccinated travellers coming into the United Kingdom do not have to take a pre-departure test. And from Sunday onwards, they can also take a cheaper lateral flow test rather than an RT-PCR test. The rules for self-isolating on arrival will also change. Unvaccinated passengers will need to continue taking a pre-departure test, RT-PCR tests on day 2 and day 8, and self-isolate for a period of 10 days. The Johnson's COVID plan has focused on a vaccine booster drive and also encouraging caution amongst the population with current restrictions. This includes mandatory face masks and advice to work from home. The cases in the United Kingdom have been driven by the highly transmissible Omicron wave, and it has put a huge amount of strain on public services, such as hospitals, which has been plagued by staff shortage and growing admissions. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.